Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you on Windows 11 how to actually do a cleanup of your storage to free up space. And of course this will not require any special application. All you need is already built into Windows 11. Alright, so Windows 11 is capable of cleaning itself up, and of course it does this by deleting unnecessary files, and you can find that you'll free up so much space as storage is so necessary and every bit counts. All right, so in case you want to free up some storage, simply go ahead on your Windows 11 device. You're gonna go ahead and hit start. Once you're in the start menu as seen here, you're gonna go to settings, and once you're in settings guys, make sure you're on system, and from system you're gonna go down to storage. So go ahead and hit storage. Now it might take a little while as you're seeing here to calculate your storage, but allow it to do its thing. You should see your total storage here. My disk is a SSD, it's 500 gigs, although this is what's shown up. All right, so as you can see here, it shows me my pictures, my temporary files, my apps and features, and desktop, and so on. All right, so if we next go down to cleanup recommendations, this is basically an app that will show you what it can clean up or what it recommends you clean up to free up space. All right, so hit clean up, and once you're in the cleanup area guys, it will show you options. You can choose to check what you want. For example, it can choose to empty the recycle bin, which is a big one here. It shows that it will free up to 24.9 gigabytes. That's in my case. You can delete your download files. Be warned that if you have something in downloads, it will delete those as well. So I can uncheck this one if I want. And of course, thumbnails. Now it says Windows keeps a copy of all your pictures, videos, documents, and of course, thumbnails. They can be displayed quickly when you open a folder. So you can actually delete, for example, the thumbnails. All right, so as you can see here, you can go ahead and from the thumbnails to the recycle bin, it will decide to free up 25.1 gigabytes. All right. And from here guys, you can go ahead and hit clean up, and notice you say that selected files and their data will be permanently deleted. So this is a warning to tell you it will not be in the recycle bin anymore. Anything that's deleted will be deleted. So I'm going to hit continue, and of course the process is started, and just simply allow it to do its thing. I might skip sections of this to save time. Alright guys, so once the cleanup is finished as seen here, you'll have several other options. Alright, so as you can see, downloads was left out, so I still have that option. However, you have options here to look at large files. So as you can see here, it does highlight very large files that are through your device. So you can look out for these and actually check them and then do a cleanup based on large files if that's what you want to do to free up some space. You can check if you have a cloud account. Also, you can delete unnecessary files there, and unused apps. It will actually show you apps that are large that are not being used, and if you so choose, you can actually choose to delete and clean up those apps. Of course, all of this is optional. All right, you can also go see advanced options, and of course advanced options here will give you, for example, you notice here I have temporary internet files, and this is just 5 megabytes. In your case it might be larger. This is another key one to do. So let's say you had like a gig in temporary files, you can check this option, and your temporary files are basically cache versions of stuff that's stored on your browser. And of course you can go ahead and do a cleanup of that or remove files with the option here that says remove files. I'll not do it in this case. If you do all of those guys, you should be able to free up a significant amount of space. The procedure is relatively straightforward, and of course if you follow this guide, you should be able to free up. If you follow this guide, you'll be able to free up much space. If you have any feedback or anything else that you like to add, you can do so below. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.